Uh, talk clear when you speak, paper talk, cripple talk, ayy, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things, ayy. Trust go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things, ayy. You ain't got no chicken wings, ayy. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings, ayy. Articulate my moves, every sentence clean wings. You mumble through your talk, can't pronounce simple things. Price action, telling stories, candlesticks got strings. I don't chase, I let the market come and bring the things. You say ain't got none, I say tighten things. Grammar sloppy, just like how you manage things. Ay, I risk 1%, discipline brings things. While you gamble, rent money, hoping luck brings things. Cold wallet lock, private keys got rings. Security first, paranoia brings things. Ay, laughing at you talk, you can't structure things. While I structure entries, exit scaling things. You scream moon too early, ruin good things. I wait for confirmation before I do things. Order blocks, respect and patience brings things. Ay, silence make money louder than your things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. Ay, you ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Ay, I don't yell when I speak, I enunciate things. Clear talk, reflect clear money things. You rush every word like you rush your trades things. Same impatience, always costing things. You say price gon' win, I say fix things. Rocker don't care how you been things. Liquidy sweet, then reversal brings things. Or you buy tops and pray for things. I mock bad sentences, not people of things. Just lazy talk habits and broken things. You type how you trade, full of missing things. No plan, no stops, just vibes and things. Bitcoin volatility brings swings. Heart rate up, still calm with things. While you panic, sell bottoms, I add things. Stack sats, quietly, long-term things. Speak sharp, trade sharp, move sharp, things. If you sound confused, you probably do things. Same chaos in your mouth and how you do things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Pocket full of lint, I'm talking different things. Charts go up and down, I read between the strings. Talk sloppy, sound broke, I tighten up my things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you starving, worry about small things. Bitcoin moving fast, I answer margin calls with swings. Crown heavy on my head, only fit for kings. Yeah. You ain't got no chicken wings. I don't flex cars, I flex correct things. Syntax clean like my ledger things. You misplace words like you misplace things. Yeah. Then blame the market for your things. I roast back, right? Keep it light things. Same way I roast bad in trees and things. You click by and hope and clean the things. I wait for setups, discipline brings things. Talk reckless, wallet thin things. Talk precise, portfolio sings things. Every candle close, whispering things. Why you shop predictions, loud things. In the day, numbers settle things. Truth don't care how you phrase things. Bitcoin don't listen to broken things. Only respect, structure, patience, things. You ain't got no chicken wings. Say it clear, stand tall, talk like kings. Chart sprint, true cut lies with strings. Eat good things, sharp, elevate things. You ain't got no chicken wings. I feast while you argue over silly things. Bitcoin pay the rent, bought time, bought things. Crown locked in place, generation, no kings. You ain't got no chicken wings.
That's right, guys. You ain't got no chicken wings. Here we go in 3, 2, and 1. Bingo bango. I said bingo bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Whatever time is your time, it's always time. That's right. Time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. So let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to trade successfully without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, acronyms that you don't even know, and you join their group so you can learn their acronyms and their new style when it's all the same. Support, resistance. That's what we teach. You say teach? Yeah, that's what we teach. Support, resistance. Uh-oh, Harp brought the chicken wings and the jalapenos. Nice. I love it. I love it. What's going on, Chris? Hopefully everybody's doing good. Let's go and get started. Crypto bubbles on the daily. We got Pole, previously Matic. I hate when they rebrand. It's up 9.9%. Does it mean it's going to go down? Possible. We got Rain. We got Night. Not a lot of ups. For the double digits, we just have one. That's it. Wow. We got newbie crypto in the house. What's going on? Appreciate you. Appreciate you greatly. Let's look at the hourly time frame. Oh, well, it's green. Does that mean Bitcoin's going up? We're gonna find out in just a moment. We got Harp in the house. What's up, Harp? Appreciate you, man, being here. Steve Hickey, bingo bango. Let's go, bingo and a bango. I love it. Floki's Angels in the house. What's going on? Floki's Angels, you're my favorite. Just to let you know. You are my favorite. Yep, you are. Let us go to the Fear and Greed Index. We were at 25. Ooh, sexy. We're at 29. Let's go up 4 points. Let's look at the liquidations heat map on the 24-hour time frame. Gonna reduce the threshold to 0.5. Thanks to Al. Thank you for Al showing us this alpha. Appreciate you. And also clicking this button right here that was here all this time just to know about it. Liquidations map. That way we can look a little more fancy. Nothing wrong with being fancy. I love it. I love it. See here, you still in that Bitcoin long, Joe? I don't think so. I think, no, I got stopped out. I had a loss too. It hurt because I was really wanting to go up. And I was actually in JR's Discord. Man, JR's Discord is the place to be, guys. I'm telling you right now. But I was in JR's Discord and I moved up my stop loss. I told the guys, I said, here's where I'm moving it. And sure enough, like an hour later, it hit. And then started going up. But I didn't re-enter. But took a pretty good hit on that coin, or on Bitcoin. It is what it is. You win, you lose. It's all the same. All right. Let's see here. 0.5, the threshold, 24-hour time frame. We're right in the middle. We have nice liquidations to the top side and to the bottom. And that's what happens. And I'm going to show you in just a little bit when it comes to, when price is just kind of going sideways. It's kind of like, ooh, it could do either or. Chris says, I probably won't be able to stay too long tonight, unfortunately. I came in to smash a like, share, and you're already subscribed. Well, Chris, you're my favorite, man. You really are. You're my favorite. Let's see here. Let's go to the 12-hour. 12 hours is going to be about the same. Yep, the same. Let's go to the 3-day. Let's go 3-day. Ooh, sexy. We got lots of liquidations to the top side. Oh, and there's Becca. She's coming to the door. Nope. She saw the door and she went. So I'll go see if she needs to come in just a little bit. The little one's inside. The little one saw me come inside and he's like, I'm gonna go inside. I tried getting Becca inside, but she said, nah, I'll wait for your stream. I said, okay. So yes. Let's see here. Newbie Crypto says, I took a scalp short and long today. Got a couple of wins. Hey, there you go. Yeah, I was at work all day today. Just came back about an hour ago. As soon as I came back, and I went straight to JR's Discord. But yeah, right now it's up in the air. Either way, true. Let's see here. Herb says, Chris, actually working, but can watch charts. Joe in the football game. Let's go. Multitasking. I love it. Harp for the win. Chris says, you're my favorite. You're my favorite. And I'm not kidding either. You are my favorite. Go Bears. The Bears. Who remembers that? You owed if you remember that. The Bears. See here on the weekly for the funsies. Ooh, doggy. Dang. So this was really bright past couple days. This up here, not so much. Now, it's, man, you need sunglasses. Super, super bright. Harp says, the Bears. Let's go. You old, Harp. You old. But let's see. Can we come up? Or are we going to roll over? We're going to find out. Just a moment. Let's look at Clash really quick. On Clash, looking strong. Looking really strong. Of course, we were looking at this level 0.01894 for it to break. It finally broke it after doing nothing for a long time. Finally broke it, went to the moon, 118% or 117. Retraced beautifully. If it would have retraced into this zone, I would not have been mad. 0.02635, 0.02444. We just don't want to break in this yellow line right here, which is 0.02346. If it breaks that, not good. But right now, showing a lot of strength, like a lot. So shout out to everybody who is in Clash. It's looking strong, continues to look strong ever since we broke this level. So good stuff. Let's look. Doubles. Yes, doubles. Are you more bearish or bullish tonight? I'm more bullish. I put a less than a 2-minute video on my VIP group, just kind of updating as soon as I got home. That's the very first thing I did, and that's usually what I'll do if I see something interesting or just needs an update. I'll update my VIP group. If you're in the free portion of the Telegram, you get the full 2-minute video. If you're on my free Discord, then you only get 40 seconds of thought process. And usually 10 seconds of that, I'm complaining about Discord because I can't share my thoughts. Unless I pay, I'm not gonna pay. I don't want to. Now granted, I was in JR's Discord and I wanted to do some of the sound effects, but I can't because I don't have Discord. Boring. So I just made my own sound effects. Let's see here. David, what's up, David? David says, listening from the sidelines, fighting that sore throat, cough, headaches. Oof. Yeah, that's rough. Hopefully you're taking allergy medicine, because since you're not fighting a fever, more than likely just allergies. Take some allergy medicine. Hopefully you get over it soon. Me, I wasn't feeling too well. It was allergies. Nose was clogged up. Ended up breathing through my mouth as I slept and caused my throat to hurt. Wasn't feeling too good. Ended up getting some medicine that expired 2 years ago. I bought it like 5 years ago. Took one day, took another one the next day, and then I was done. Yeah. Let's see here. Michael Anthony says, you need a computer if you're going to make big dollars. You can do it from your phone. I don't. And you don't even need an expensive computer. When I first started trading, I bought a laptop. I still have it. I bought a laptop back in 2020, and it wasn't refurbished or anything, but it was just no bells or whistles, nothing like that. $185, I think. Under 200 bucks. I bought it, started trading, started learning, started watching videos. Then I upgraded by buying a monitor. So I had 2 monitors, and you really need 2 monitors, really do. And then I went crazy because, man, I was going to prepare for the bull run, story time. And I had my big screen TV as my main monitor. Then I had, 6 27-inch monitors, and then 4 little monitors. I think they're like 11 inches. They're really cool. They plug into the USB port. They don't have a power cord. It uses the USB. And I was all, man, I'm doing this number, and you don't need all that crap. 2 monitors, all you need. If you want to get fancy with it, maybe 3, but 2 definitely. All right, moving on. Looking for a short on Bitcoin. Hey, there you go. So the video that I made for my VIP group and also the free group, if you're interested in the free group, give me a message. Trade_intuition on Telegram. I'll get you in there. If you want the 40-second limited videos, then join my Discord. And that you can go to my description It's in the link tree, and there it has all my links. All right. So here. So I'm thinking, we were here. I'm thinking, so why am I thinking this? So let's kind of back up, just thought process. So what we do here on the channel, we don't tell you how you could have made money, what you should have done, blah, blah. I'll let the other channels do that. What I do is I show you how to make money, what I think the price might do, and then we kind of follow up on it to see if it did it. When we were here, I'm thinking inverse head and shoulders. That's what a lot of traders are going to look at, and price go up. And plus, not only that, but we were only retesting the 236 level. Because of that, that is my FOMO zone where we go up strong. So I put some money in here with the lower entry down here, just in case. Sure enough, we rolled over, we broke this level. Because we broke the level, this pattern is now invalid. It's extremely important to understand what makes patterns valid, or even your thought process valid, and most importantly, invalid. If it becomes invalid, you don't, oh man, hope and pray and buy more candles so you can pray to whatever. No, you just close the trade or move the stop loss really tight and just get stopped out. You know, we're gonna win, we're gonna lose. Came down, this number, we pumped. I was at work. If I would have seen this nice pump, I would have definitely taken profit, but I was looking to take profits originally up here. And nope, came down. And as I was doing this number, I moved my stop loss like super tight, ended up getting stopped out. And I lost a decent amount of money for me, for that trade anyway. And now we're going sideways. So because we're going sideways, and I go more about this in the video, but because we're going sideways, when we come up, we start coming down, people are putting shorts and their stop losses here. But we go up, we didn't break the level, we start breaking this level, people will go long and they're putting their shorts right here. Then as we come down, people are putting shorts, their stop losses. As we come up, people are going long and putting their stops right here. Oh, there's Becca again at the door. She's losing interest. Okay. Then, as we're bouncing up, you know, people are doing shorts again, putting their stop losses here, putting their stop losses here. So the longer it goes sideways, the more it's like it can really go any direction. Now, the fact that it has not broken this level is good. The fact that it has not broken this level, it actually does like a slightly lower low. But still, to me, this is showing strength. So for that reason, going against the grain, a lot of traders out there right now are thinking short. I'm thinking long. And one of us is going to be right. So if you're going long, great. If you're going short, great. Whichever way you're going, I hope you're making money. See here. Let me see what the chat is doing. Okay. Going to the list. We got Me Damien in the house. What's up, Me Damien? Says, I'm waiting for... Oh, yeah. I haven't traded that one. I don't think I've ever traded that one. Man, once they start doing all their family coins, it's like, man, you know, likey. Bad taste in my mouth. It's just manipulation. Gonna drop it like it's hot tonight. 0.14 target. Let's go for the short. Let's freaking go. Mikey in the house. What's up, Mikey? Appreciate you, man, being here. Thank you for everybody smashing the like. Let me see what Becca's doing. Becca's eating some food right now. All right. Let's see here. I'm short on Polygon right now. Hey, there we go. Very nice. Very nice. But I am thinking Bitcoin's going to come up. We'll see. We shall see. For me, I really don't want to enter a long right now. I want to see it come up and then bounce. And then bounce off of the 618. So I want to see it come up, retrace, start coming up, and I could enter here and definitely enter here. And here is above 0.5, which would be 90.975. That's what I'm looking at. Chip says, how does ADA look? If you don't mind. Yeah, definitely, man. If you have any coins you want me to do, let me know. We finished the thought process on Bitcoin. And let's see what we see. What's this one? STX. I'm thinking we're gonna come up, come down, come up. This one we would enter. It came down a little bit, started going up. What I've entered here, no, because there's really no retrace. Since it came down first and then up, this is where I would have entered. But now that it went up even more, I would expect it to come down at least 50%. We definitely don't want to break this level though. But let us look at, yeah, we'll do Litecoin and XLM. Yeah, definitely. So let's look at some ADA. Cardano. Ooh, sexy. Go daily. So this was my thought process way back over here. I thought we were gonna go up. The market was looking good. I thought we were gonna bounce here. We did not. Instead, we dropped, we broke this level. If we break this level, I'm thinking we come into this little box, come up, possibly come back down. Again, we don't know what's gonna happen. It went down into the box and said, no, I'm not gonna bounce. Kept on coming down. Then we looked at it again here. And this is just all our thought process. Let's go 4 hour. So thought process here was, so we're right here. I'm thinking we're gonna pull back and then start coming up. If we break this level, we could enter a short. That's what the circle with the slash means. We could enter a short because more than likely we may come for this and this. However, if I would have entered a short, which I did not, I would have been stopped out. Even though it did come for this, I would have been stopped out. So what I do is I show you what I would have done in the moment versus what everybody else does. They show you only how they would have won. I would have lost. I would have entered the short. I would have had my stop loss about probably here. And boom, stop down. And then we come back down. I'm thinking we may do like a little, oh, this is for the long. Ooh, I would have lost twice. Oh, that's bad. I would have entered this trade going long, thinking we bounced here off of my zone. And I'm thinking we're going to go up now because we're bouncing. If we break this level, my stop loss is right here. What happens? And this was my other thought process too. We could potentially get rejected here and come down, but we didn't. We came up, the alert would have went off. 4 hour time frame looks good for a possible bounce. I enter the trade, boom, stopped out again. What ends up happening? Price comes for this. Comes all the way down. I lost twice now, hypothetically. So now I'm kind of leery. And again, I'm giving you the thought process in the moment, not based off of what's happening, but what I would have done in the moment. Comes all the way down, starts coming up. Now, granted, our thought process originally from way up over here is that we may come down to around this area, and we did. To come up to around this area, and we did. To possibly come down to this area, and we did. To possibly come up to this area, and we are. So with that being said, I wish I knew exactly what was going to happen, but I don't. So just let you know. All right. So right now, this is a beautiful area for it to bounce. Absolutely gorgeous. What am I looking at? I don't really want to do a big zone, but I might have to. I don't know how big this zone is. Now, granted, I don't know that that's going to happen. Yes, I see it too, but I'm looking at my candle body closes and this candle body close right there. So I'm looking for potentially it bouncing in this zone. Now let's take it a step further. Let's use our fib retracement from the low to the high. Oh, beautiful. pull back right on 0.5, came back up, couldn't hold the 382, pulling back again, kind of leveling out. To me, this looks so beautiful for a long, for this. And again, this is the original thought process way back over there. So that's why I like leaving these on the chart so we can see how it's playing out. Right now it looks really strong. Let's go to the 1 hour. Why am I doing the 1 hour? Just so we can see more ups and downs. It's funny. I'm watching JR too much. Love the dude. But he always gives shout outs to everything. I wanted, right in my head, I was doing a shout out. I love JR. JR's good. Let's see here. Steve says, are you eating some good steaks these days? I tell you what, my friend, I am off tomorrow. So I bought some ribeye steaks. Ooh, sexy. I bought 2 ribeye steaks with some asparagus and a salad with those little tomatoes. I think they're called cherry tomatoes. So I'm gonna be eating good tomorrow. So that's gonna be my lunch / possibly dinner, because it's 2 steaks and the salad. I'm pretty sure I'll be pretty stuffed. I probably will be stuffed with the 1 steak, but I know it's gonna taste so good that I'll eat the other one. And then after I do that, I'm gonna cook some shoulder roast that I bought, put that in the Instapot, and then have that for the next couple of days for lunch. Oh, so good. I'm looking forward to it. Yum, yum. Let's see here. What else did I buy? I think that's it as far as the food goes. But as far as Ada, I love it. I love it. We just got to worry about this little resistance level, which is kind of the mid-level. Yeah, spot on. Mid-level. Oh, I was right there. Midline. Let's do it in white. And say okay. So look at this. Right in the middle of, look at this, man. Right in the middle of this box. So right now we're actually at resistance. And I'm gonna take it a little step further and get up a notch. We're gonna go here to here for a little zone. This zone, not to be dramatic, we'll do it red. I'm gonna take off the middle. So this is the area that we need. And I like drawing sideways to see what else. Look at that right there too. Wick stop right there. To me, this looks really good for a long. However, I would like to see this go like this, a little bit higher maybe, or it could retrace right now. Pull back to about here to come up, give it one more shot. Maybe even in here too. And then now let's go. Let's go, moon mission. So we'll see. We'll see. Ada is already at bear market lows. I wonder if it's a dead coin. Now, I do like Ada because they're doing a lot of stuff with Bitcoin. I don't know all the history or all the fundamentals or nothing like that, but I do know that this is kind of like a coin, in my opinion, not financial advice. None of this is financial advice, that you could buy, hold, and hopefully next cycle, it can do some decent numbers. Kind of like XRP, where it was doing nothing for forever, and then it exploded. So I'm thinking AD is going to do the same. I could be completely wrong, but that's what I'm thinking about ADA. It's funny, last cycle, I bought, not this current cycle we're in, but last cycle, I bought ADA, and man, it's gonna, moon mission, and hearing all these things about ADA and everything. I bought a lot of it, sat on it for like, I don't know, 4, maybe 6 months. I said, man, this thing's not doing anything. I'm gonna get out of this coin, get into another coin, make some money. Got into other coins. Sure enough, as soon as I did, like less than a week, maybe 4 days, it started going. It's like, really? Really? Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Yes, we're gonna do Litecoin, and I really do love looking at these coins, several days, like either they're back to back or every other day, or once every 3-4 days, just to see the thought process played out. I really like doing that. So thank you, Chris. Let's see here. It's all rigged. Yeah. Hype. Yeah, definitely. Let's do. Oh, we haven't looked at hype in a while. And one thing that I love is I love looking at these coins, because sometimes I don't look at them. I'm doing other things or whatever. Man, I'm sweating a lot. Gotta wipe my brow, face. But yeah, we'll definitely look at those. And then H bar. Oh, H bar. We haven't done H bar in a bit. Good coins today, guys. Let's see here. Shout out to Jellies. I love JR, man. JR is a hoot. I heard the other day that again, I'm hanging out in this Discord all the time. Every time I have a free opportunity, I hang out in there. And they were telling me he was giving shout outs to everything. I love it. It's funny. Shout out to steaks. Yeah, man. Man, I'm gonna be eating 2 juicy steaks tomorrow. I'm looking forward to it. I bet you tonight I'm not gonna be able to sleep. I'm gonna be 4 in the morning cooking my steaks. Nah, we'll see. Chip says, I wish you could have had some of my whitetail and rice, Joe. Sounds good. And you said it was amazing. I love it. I love it. See here. Definitely. Very nice. See here. We got G Generation X. Oh, nice, man. So D Generation X is one of the main guys in JR's Discord. Lots of knowledge, guys. Lots of knowledge. Definitely check them out. Definitely hang out in the Discord. Do we have any admin? Oh, we have JR in here. JR, throw your Discord if you could.
That's what he did love. We chatted in JR's Discord. So full of knowledge. Cheers for sharing.
Wow. Thanks, Johnny. Appreciate you, man. December. Love you, dude. Johnny December just moved up to my favorite. You already knew it was going to happen. He just moved up to my favorite. Thank you, Johnny December, man. Appreciate you. Mr. Christmas. Love you, man. Let's see here. But yeah, we're having a great time. And DJ Generation X, like I said, he's a beast. So, and it's free, guys. Take advantage of it. It's free. So definitely, if you could put the link in the description or in the chat, so everybody can join. Let's see here. $2. Nice. Yeah, it's a lot. Yeah. I was watching some videos on butchers, doing like an animal or whatever, just so I can learn more about my job as far as the different cuts and what is from where. And that's one thing I do. Like, I always try to be the best person I could be, best employee, best, whatever. And that's one thing that my mom instilled in me. She was like, Joe, I don't care what you do. And this is when I was young. You could be a janitor. You could be whatever. Not saying the janitors are the bottom of the totem pole, but she was just doing the examples. But be the best one. Go out of your way. Clean areas that other people just miss or whatever. Act like someone's always watching you, and just do your best. So right now, that's what I'm doing in the meat market. I'm asking questions, and man, like these guys, they don't even make fun of me, which I find amazing because they're guys, they're guys, and I'll ask them questions, and they know I'm serious too, because right off the bat I told them, guys, I don't know how to cook, I don't know how to meats, I don't know different cuts. The only thing I know is to tip my waiter and the chef when my steak is great. That's the only thing I know when it comes to meat. And so I'm asking them a lot of questions and everything. They're very helpful. But I've been watching a lot of videos, just like on meat and the processing and what is what. And yeah, you get a lot of food from, man, $2 last year. Jeez, it's a lot. JR is in the house. Love you, JR. You're the best. Make sure to smash the like, guys. Smash the like. Let's see here. Going down the list. Okay. XRP for the win. Dude, we shorted XRP. We killed it. We killed it on XRP. But this is what I'm thinking about Cardano. I think we're going to pull back. We need to break above this zone right here. 0.3923, 0.3912. Tight zone. Need to break above that. And I think we'll be good. So we'll see. We shall see. Let's see here. I've never been hunting. I've always wanted to, but never been. My brother's been. My brother would hunt with his buddies, but I never did. Johnny December with the magnets. I love it. Johnny Christmas. There it is. Let's see here. I love fishing. That I do love. I love fishing. So peaceful. You know, and that's what we need more in life. Not the phone, not all the distractions, but just getting back to nature. I love camping, man. I love camping. But, you know, doing the whole fishing thing, man, I love doing that. I don't know how to fillet a fish. So whoever I'm fishing with, you know, they have to know how to do all that stuff. Or what fish is good. I don't know. So here. Catching up on the chat. Catching up. Let's get it. Let's go. To here. Oh, wait. Sorry.
That's chat JR's so full of knowledge. Cheers for sharing.
Yeah. And for me, I think, and thank you, Johnny December. For me, it's really important because there's so many people, and we all go through this, all of us. Like when we're first starting out, we spend a lot of money, not only in the market learning, but, you know, paying for mentors, joining groups, everything else. And that's all fine and dandy. For me, what I like to do is I have a different aspect on my business where I give it out for free. I give out my knowledge. And if you want more of it, all the updates, then you join the group. But there's a lot of people who don't have money. And I don't want you to go without. So my goal is to make you money. You make money, you join the group. Or if you have money and you want to just help the business, you join the group. I have a lot of people like that. Like they got money, crazy, oh my gosh, crazy money. And they're in the group. And they're great traders. Like they already know how to trade, but they're in the group. Like to me, that speaks volumes. And like I'm so appreciated to them and to everybody really. Yeah. And they're just helping the business, helping, you know, keep the lights on, all that fun stuff, buying new equipment. I do need to buy another camera. So, is that Becca? Let me see. I might have to. See, I don't know if she. I heard a noise. Checking the camera right now. I think she's good. Okay. Let's see here. Shep says, contribution to Joe's ribs. Eye addiction. There you go. You deserve it, Joe. Thanks for your. Oh, thank you, Shep. Thank you. Yeah, man, that ribeye addiction. Oh my gosh, man, it's real. It is so real. So, oh my gosh, so good. Oh man, I'm just thinking about it now. See here, on the list. Let's go. Let's go to Idaho. Let's have a weekend retreat. A men's retreat. Let's go. Thank you, JR. Yeah, join the Discord, guys. This is JR's Discord. I'm in there. I love hanging out in there. Great group of people. And we talk about everything too. So just to let you know. The Art of Crypto Discord. Let's go. Let's see here. Nice. I'd be scared. I don't know if I'd be scared. Maybe I'd be too excited. Look, Joe, don't. And it runs off. Like, dang it. Let's see here. Going down the list. Going on the list. See here. Holy smokes. I spent like 24 days in a wall tent this year. Elk hunting. Wow. Like, that's when you really like get to know yourself, you know, just the peace and just, man, that's beautiful, man. I love it. See here. Nice. Here. Hopefully I didn't skip anybody in the chats. See here. Night is breaking trend line. Watch for the retest or failure. I haven't traded night. We'll probably look at that one. And then that will be it. Of course, if you want any extra ones, then, you know, feel free to do a donation. Joe, you're getting stingy, greedy. Joe, you're getting greedy with donations. No, because we have a list. Litecoin, XLM, Hype, 1000 Floki, H-Bar, Night. But if you want an extra one, then consider donating. Let's see here. That's why I was trading. Spending too much time hunting. There you go. Yes. JR is the king of the shout outs. I love it. You're funny. All right. So we're all caught up. Cardano, I'm liking it. Higher low. Coming back up to this resistance level. Possibly, I would like to see, now if it goes up, that's fine. We can see, hopefully it retrace and, you know, come down here, maybe. Depending on how high it goes up, I would like to see it retrace at least 38, 50% before continuation. To me, it looks good. Oh, if you do, let me do this. YouTube, rapid fire. If we do Alt and W, bam. So here's a shortcut. As long as you're in the active list that you want it to be in, and I want it to be in the YouTube rapid fire, if you do Alt and W, it automatically, it's a shortcut, it automatically throws it into your active list. So that's why I changed to this list, and now it's down here. You probably can't see it. It's okay. All right. And it's Alt W. It'll throw it in your active watch list. Okay. Let's see here. Chef says, will you check all the altcoins tonight? Hey, for enough donations, we can do, I don't think I'll be walking all that time, but we can do it. Let's see here. So the first one we always do, we spend a little bit more time on it. Then after that, we kind of do like rapid fire. So let's do some Litecoin. Let's check up on this one. Litecoin, this was my thought process, my plan A, to where we come up, then do this. Instead, it went sideways. It looks just like Bitcoin. It could do anything really right now, because right now we have a lot of stop losses set here, 82.54, set here, 82.30, set here, same amount. And then these got stopped out, but this one didn't get stopped out. And then same thing for the lows. Like, there's a lot of stop losses. So in order for me to be bullish on Litecoin, could you enter now? Sure, of course. But for me, I like trading safer, or safe. I guess safer is the word. That's not a zone. Joe, give us a zone. All right, so this is my zone. The zone is between 82.17, 81.85. I would like to see it break above this zone. And I'm actually going to send an alert. I do like Litecoin. That's an alert right here. In my head, I'm giving a shout out to the alert. Thanks, JR. Thanks for being amazing. So, oh, love JR, man. He's a good guy. So this is what I'm looking at. Once we break this, I can look at it, see if we're, you know, moving nicely, if we've gone up, down, up. So Litecoin, I do like it, but right now it's kind of in a danger spot because we could go up only to come back down and then make it lower low and then get all this. So right now we got to be patient with this. Next one, let's do alt. I think I'm still in the same. Watch this. Yes. Let's do alt W. Boom. Let's go. And I think I got that from, let me see if I can highlight. I got that from JR's Discord last night. And that was from, wait for it. Hopefully, oh, there we go. I can still see him. D-Generation X. I believe that he's the one who did that. I was like, what did he do? Because he said alt W. I was like, what did he do? And then what I did was I came over here. You can't see it, but it's my little picture. It's this little thing. Oh. It's this. So your little picture right here. You click on that, then you go to keyboard shortcuts. Then this opens up, and I was going on indicators, and it's like, what did he do? Like, I don't know what he did. He said Alt W, but then I clicked on this one, and then here it is. I think. Let's see here. It's somewhere here. Chart, maybe. I'm probably skipping it, but it's somewhere in here. But so yeah, you can check out all this stuff, add alerts and everything else. Okay, moving on. Okay, so for Litecoin, I think we're gonna have to do that. Let's come all the way back down. Let's see here. Johnny December says, nice trading tuition. And JR, shout out to the shortcuts. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna have to make an emoji, and that's gonna be JR's emoji. It's gonna be a shout out. So I'm thinking like one of those big things like the cheerleaders use that amplify sound. I'm gonna have to work on that. That's gonna be JR's emoji. Shout out to JR. Let's see here. Let's go to the next one. What do you think, guys? Do you think that'd be a good one? Do you think that'd be a good emoji for JR? A shout out thing? I think it will. Let's see here. We did Litecoin. Let's do XLM. And because I think the words shout out, it'll be too small for the emoji. XLM, where we're here, thought process either go up or come down. We certainly come down, but we're gaining strength. We're not. There it is. There it is. Megaphone. That's what it's called. There it is, right there. I don't even do a special one. I'll probably make a special one though for the members. But there it is. I love it. I love it. So XLM looks really good. We're bouncing off of the 0.5. And here, that's funny. And here, this is what we want to see. So a retracement 3-2, beautiful. 0.5 is what I like to see. And we've slightly broken the level, so very slightly, but we're not rolling over. So to me, this is showing strength. Now, if we break this, we come into the zone, more than likely, we'll start doing lower highs, lower lows. We can easily get this liquidity. I don't think we'll get this one, but these will be the two levels that I'll be looking for. But right now, once again, it's slowing down. The momentum is slowing down. This was our perfect opportunity to roll over. And let me show you. This is a perfect. Joe, you said you were gonna do this fast. Calm down, hold on. I said, hold on. And zoom in. So if we go magnet tool from the high, to the low, we can see, let's move this over. So don't look at all this, but look here. We pulled down and we started going up. So a beautiful spot for us to roll over is a 382. It's kind of like doing it from the bottom to the top and seeing where we could retrace this. I'm seeing the continuation to the downside, the roll over. 382 is the minimum I would like to see. 0.5 will be great. Here we do go to the 382. Our chance to roll over, we break the level. Oh crap, level 1. But then we come right back up and we get even closer to the 0.5. Okay, now we can still roll over unless we break the 0.5, go to the 618, pull back, bounce off the 0.5 and continue up. Now it's like, okay, well, the thought process of it coming down and get all that liquidity that we showed earlier is not there. So then we roll over again. We break this level, we come down, but we don't break this. And we come up, another beautiful, beautiful opportunity to roll over, but we find support. So there's a lot of buyers right here. They don't want it to go down. And now we're coming up. So because of that, we've had several opportunities for the rollover to occur. And we continue to bounce right around the area of the 0.5. So in my opinion, bullish. Now, what I would like to see is I would like to see it break above this zone. Uh-oh. Hold on. Right there. And I like dragging it across just to see what else it did. I want to see it break above 0.22877, 0.22763. I want to see it break above that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set another alert right about here, so that if the alert goes off, I want to see a 1 hour candle, to where, did I set the alert? Set it. I want to set the alert. And then I would like to see this, where we come up and we do this and this. And then now we continue up. That's what I like to see. Let's see here. So yes, this is perfect, but I'm going to make you a special one, JR. Let's see here. That's funny. Let's go. Let's see here. How do you spell Canada? That's funny. Shep for the win. I love it. Shout out to the shout outs about shout outs. That's funny. Let's see here. That's funny. I love you guys. You guys are the best. Guys are the best. Chip says that joke was a pain to type out on my iPad. Oh, I believe it. It was more work than I expected. So by the time I was done, it wasn't funny. It's even more funny because you did that. All right. So for XLM, I'm liking it. Liking it for the upside. But we always have to remember that anything can happen. If we do roll over, break this level, well then our original thought process of this happening. And it's always plan A, plan B. And this is why we trade level by level. Because again, we don't know what's going to happen. Indicators could be pointing up. Money flow could be coming in. A bullish divergence. Just everything. But the coin could still go down. It'd still go down. All right, so we did this one. We're going to do Alt W. Joe, we got it already. Calm down. Let's do Hyper Liquid. We haven't looked at this one in a bit. Ooh, ouch. Ouch. We're going long on this one, and something we got stopped out. So 158 drawings. Get out of here. Are you sure you want to remove all of them? Yes. Get out. All right. Oh. Come on, Hyper Liquid. Man, we missed the long on this one when it was moving up, but we were able to get, I think, like 2 shorts out of it, and then we moved on to other trades. But that was before the October 10th And how funny is that? I mean, not funny, but how odd is that? The 10th month is October, and it happened to be at 10 the day. Coincidence? I think not. We got Alex in the house. What's up, Alex? Shout out to the good communities coming together, growing and learning. Yes. Yes. Very true. Very true. So for this one, hype man, let's go 3-day. Now the reason I'm going higher time frame is just to see less candles. The level that we did not want to break, and I do not consider the October 10th, I don't consider that candle. Now a lot of traders do, I don't, because that was just the market makers doing what the market makers do, and it's just an ugly wick. So this, I'm going candle body to the close. We did not want to see it break below this because it did. Very, very bearish. Very bearish. Now, could it go up? Sure, of course. Man, but it's looking bad. Looking really bad. Just for fun, let's go from the low to the high. And we're about there. Okay. So we came down, retested beautifully on the 0.5, came up, then we broke the level, not good. Continue breaking the level, not good. Let me check on my camera. Okay. Very good. Let's see here, came up, broke this, into the danger zone, Tom Cruise, and this is where we could potentially continue to roll over. Let's go to the daily. On the daily, we can see that we came up. Here would have been nice for, well, actually here would have been nice. 25.90 would have been really nice for a retrace and a bounce off of this support level. We didn't make it. We didn't make it. So right now it's looking extremely bearish. Could this be the bottom for us to go up? Sure. Too risky for me. Too risky for me. So the level, the first level that I want to see it break is this 25.95.8. That's the first level. Then we have an area of resistance at 28.24.1. Chip says, I don't like hype or arrow because there are two that life has shown me. Never bought spot or traded. For me personally, I think hype is great. Hype is a DEX. A lot of people love DEXs. Same thing with Aerodrome Finance. It's the DEX, the number one DEX for base. So for me personally, I will be buying both of those in the bear market, along with Aster and Avantis from CZ and Brian Armstrong, Coinbase. So I do like those. And I love Arrow. Oh yeah, they're good. All right. So right now, this could potentially be a nice area or a bounce, and it looks like potentially we might bounce here. Let's go 4 hour. For me, in order to go long, man, to me, this looks so great as far as, trying to catch the bottom. You know what? I just might try to catch the bottom on this. And have a really tight stop loss. If I get stopped out, I tried. I do like this for potentially going up. Stop loss 2%. No, everybody's gonna have their stop loss right here. So I'll do mine 3%. And I really like this. So do stop loss here. And this is a very aggressive trade because we don't have confirmation yet that it could potentially be going up. What is confirmation? Well, break of the highs. This would be one, but we're still in the zone. This would be the first break, which would be safer for the entry. Let's go and do this We're on the 1 hour time frame, and let's change this color to a blue. Okay. So what I think might happen, I'm actually going to take this trade. What I think might happen is we may go up to come down, to go up, to come down, to go up. And this one may be a little bit lower. Right. And then my first target would be here. So pretty good. Almost 2 to 1. Well, we'll do a 2 to 1. We'll do it right here. This will be the first target. Here. Once again, I am going to enter this trade. This. Now, for me, I'm going to go ahead and do a 7x leverage. Do a 7x leverage. Target. And this is aggressive though. So let me show you. This is a yellow circle, which means aggressive. This is a white circle. No, it's not. Hold on, calm down. Which means safer. So let's type this out. Yellow, whoops. Yellow circle equals aggressive. Okay. And let's make sure it's the yellow that I like. Yep, sure is. And then I'm gonna have a lower entry as well too. So just to let you know. Then we're gonna do another one. It's gonna be white circle equals safer entry. Dang it, I forgot to put entry on that. Entry. And we'll do this in white. Let's double click here. Oh, I didn't spell it right. Aggressive. Where did I misspell it? Oh, forgot the R. Entry. Okay. So I like it. And then my lower entry. You know what, in case it goes to the people's stop losses, I'll do it right here. Normally I like to do it like in here, but this is so tight, it's not even worth it. So I'll do it right there, and I'll move this to the back. Send it to the back. There we go. Back of the bus. Joe, that's racist. Yeah, is it really? Back of the bus is where all the cool kids are at. There we go. And we'll do this over here. Do it in blue, because that's our entry. Oh yeah. And so that's my setup. Let's see here. Margie DD says, can you look at lit major? Yeah, sure. Since you're new, we would have a long list, but since you're new, we will do that for you. I had already asked if there was any extra ones for consider a donation, but since you're new, no donation for you. Let's see here. See here. Johnny, I don't judge you for liking Arrow. I love Arrow. Melissa, what's up, Melissa? One love. Appreciate you for being here. I lost track of time. It's all good. Hope everyone is having a good weekend. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Melissa, tomorrow, I'm going to eat me 2 ribeye steaks with some asparagus. And I'm going to put in the crock pot for later on for the week for my lunch, some shoulder roast. Yum, yum. Tomorrow I'm going to be eating good. Chip says, see Joe, on the hype chart, Lifer wouldn't say it could go up, but it could go down. Join my training group, 99. Yeah. You know, for him, he would say there's a bear flag that also has the working of a inverse head and shoulder. So it could go down or it could go up. And then it's in this falling wedge. So it could go up. But then it also so many different patterns. So you're like, wait, what? Up, down? And he says it all in one sentence too. And then of course, whichever way it goes, he's right. So let me go ahead and enter my trade right now. Yeah, no problem, Martin. Appreciate you being here. Appreciate you. See, D Not You says, wait. I gotta put that like button. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, D Not You. Appreciate you. And thank you for everybody smashing the like. Once again, if you're new to the channel, what we do here, we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization, acronyms. We show you, we basically show you how to trade without the tuition here with Trade Intuition. So I'll give you a heads up. Yeah. Very true. Yes. Welcome, Margie. To here. Chip says, I'm fairly new also. We'll learn a lot. Yes, you will learn a lot. Very true. So let me go ahead and enter this trade. I'm gonna enter right now. I'm gonna have a lower entry for my stop loss. It's only 3%, but I am gonna go 7x leverage. If you are new to trading, do not do leverage. Do not do as I do, or as I say. None of this is financial advice. All right. So let me put this on my group too. Let me go ahead and copy this. Hey, how come I have my? I think I'm at 4. What's Eastern Standard? -4, -5? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Let's see here. Let me change the time. Yeah, -5. New York. Yeah, that's the time. Okay, so let me go ahead and copy this again. So what I always do for my group is I post it first and then I take the trade. There's a lot of groups out there, and I've been in them too, where they'll enter the trade, it starts working, and then they post that they're up 15%. It's like, how, man? You just posted it like literally 1 minute ago. So let me go ahead and this. Okay, and this is hype, and I'm gonna put, let's see here, 5x to 7x. Again, it just depends on your risk management. Long info on chart doing a live stream. There we go. So let me go ahead and enter this really quick. And so if you haven't already, definitely smash the like. And if you want, Margie, or Maggie, I'm sorry. Is it Maggie? No, it's Margie. If you want, if you're on Telegram, reach out to me, trade_intuition, and you can get into the free Telegram group where I send you video thought process. And to me, thought process is extremely important. I give you thought process videos on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is really important to understand because that could help you with your potential trades that you're doing, because everything's following Bitcoin. So just let you know. If you like Discord, I also have Discord, links in the description. But on Discord, I'm very limited to what I can do. Telegram, I give thought process videos that are 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes. I have a lot of flexibility on Telegram, but give you the heads up. All right, so let me go into this trade. 1 moment, gotta find my camera. I have to go to my other computer. 1 second. Joe, you're just trying to get off your treadmill. You're trying to get off that stepper. Hold on. Not getting off this. Oh, I had to get off the stepper. So this is Hyper Liquid. Okay, hopefully y'all can hear me. Put 1 in the chat if you can still hear me. Put 1 in the chat. Uh-oh. I'm already seeing this one, 23.422. And I'm only putting a little bit of money in, so don't get crazy. So we'll go long. Go long. And then I'm gonna put in my lower entry. Lower entry 23.59.8. 23.59.8. 59.8. Same stop loss, 23.42. 42.2. And I'm almost done. Okay. Now, don't get crazy. I'm gonna do something. And I'm gonna show y'all what I'm doing. I don't recommend this. Again, don't do as I do. But I'm doing that. Just give me it. And let me take another screenshot. It's the same thing you just showing that it went up. Okay. Coming back. Oh man. Joe, you just want to take a trade to get off that stepper. I'm back on. All right. So good. Y'all can still hear me. Okay, good. All right. So it's just showing that I did enter the trade. For me, I'm doing a 10x, but so let's just say, like, the amount of leverage is not important. Joe, that's horrible advice. It's not. It really isn't. It's your stop loss. So let's say I only want to lose $1 or 100 or 10 or 1,000. Like, this amount does not matter because my stop loss can only allow me to lose $1. So let's say I want to lose, or I'm able to lose only $1. So if I enter here, that means my trade can only be probably $2 or $3 or whatever it's going to be. And then since I can only lose $1, this I have to take into account that I have another entry. So if I do this one, well, this one has to be much less. So for simple math, this would have to be 50 cents that I could lose. And this entry could be 50 cents that I could lose. So total, I can only lose $1. Once again, the leverage amount doesn't matter. However, it kind of does, because the more you borrow, the higher the leverage, the higher the fees. So that's one thing you have to know. Okay, moving on. So this is my thought process. That's our target and our stop loss. Now again, you don't need to join my group to learn how to trade. I show you here for free every single day, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. We do it for 1 hour, but right now we have a long list, so we have to do that. Let's see here. Okay, moving on. So now I'm going to do Alt W to add it to my current watch list, and it's right there. Now we're going to go to the next one. Now we're going to come over here with, I think we're still in with, we're in a short on with, but I think I need to close this one. I think I need to move my stop loss. Here was my other entry. I don't know if it hit. Did it hit? Go down, shift, move this over. No, my other entry did not hit, because I think we're going to do like a candle like this. If we break this zone, this is a safer entry. This was the yellow, which is aggressive entry. This is what I did. I was really hoping it would come down, possibly come up, and then come down, break this. What did we do? We went up, we came down, we went up, we broke the level, which is great, but now we're breaking this level. And what we do is we trade level by level. This one, I'm gonna move my stop loss. I'm gonna cancel this. So this, cancel, and I'm gonna move my stop loss to here. Because I don't like that it's bouncing and it's trying to break this level. I don't like that. And if we break this level, pretty good chance we'll break this level. Could we just start ranging? Sure. Again, nobody knows what's gonna happen. So just to let you know. So let me go back. Joe, You really want to get off that stepper. Calm down, guys. Calm down. You guys are so mean to me today. What's going on? All right, so we're gonna do stop loss. So let me update this. 1 second. I have to go to my other computer. I know something you gotta put up with. $38.99. $38.99 with shorts. $38.99. $38.99. Okay, much better. Much better. So now we're coming back. Got back on the treadmill. All right. So let me update my group on this one too. Because this one we did enter for the VIP group. And that's another thing too. Like when you're watching these trades or watching the live streams, you're also getting some of the important information as far as the VIP. Again, there's so many people that make money from telling you, oh, join my VIP, join my VIP. But I'm here to make money with you, not because of you. So just give you a heads up. Short. Okay. Move, stop, loss. 0.3899. And paste. There you go. Okay, I'm glad we looked at that. We'll probably get stopped down. We'll see. All right, so cast, we're thinking something like this. We went a little bit further down, but let us look at 1,000 Floki. And then, see here. Margie, if you could put your coin you want us to do again. You can put your coin you want us to do again, please. Okay, so let's do Floki. Oops, where am I typing? Floki. 1,000 Floki. Ooh, sexy. All right, so what do these circles represent? These circles represent potential entries. I don't know why. Oh, I did them yellow because it's very aggressive. Very aggressive. Because, you know, we could go down and continue going down. Right here was a beautiful area for a potential bounce, the 382. Then also the 0.5. Then also the 618. So this one right here, we're thinking we could enter some, but also have a lower entry and another lower entry. This entry, of course, hit because we entered, I think it was yesterday. I'm not sure right now if this lowest one will hit. We may start, depending on Bitcoin too. If Bitcoin starts going, we may see these coins going too. So we might actually see something like this. Or come up here, get rejected, not a problem. Come down. Now let's go. Moon mission. And I'll actually move this over here. So the alarm will set again. And if it does, then this would be a really nice, hopefully, confirmation that we had our retrace and we start coming up. Thank you. And actually, that was just a test. See if you were still here. I wrote it down. That was a test. Margie, I'm not sure if you know this, but because you're still here, you have now become my favorite. Just saying, you're my favorite. Let's see here. Harp says, shout out to JR. Yes. And thank you, Melissa. Appreciate you very much. All right, so for this one, I think we're gonna do this number. Let's go look at H bar. Oh, wait, let's do Alt W. Joe, we already know the shortcut. Well, in case. And that Alt W, it puts the current chart you're on your current watch list. And that's what you saw there. H bar. One thing that I do is I explain a lot of stuff. I explain a lot of stuff that normally just gets overlooked by traders. So this is a very friendly beginners trader type thing. But I have a lot of very experienced traders that come over here because sometimes you just need to go back to basics. Now, do I know a lot of other stuff? Yes, of course. But I implement that in my trading style that it's easy to understand, because there's a lot of traders that make this stuff really complicated. And that's why you join their group, to understand what they're talking about. You don't need to join the group. All right. Price was here. We're saying we could do this. We could do this. We just got to wait. This is my thinking, my thought process. Like, we don't know what's going to happen. But what we want to do is we want to wait for the break of the levels. All this was just teaching. That's what this was. But this was way over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete 38 drawings. Get out of here. Let's go to the daily. And you're just next. We're going to do lit. You're just next. Let's see here. D Not You says, we're all your favorites. Nuh-uh. But D Not You, for that statement, you're my favorite, man. You really are. You, my favorite. Jeff says, Joe is overusing the word favorites. No, I'm not. It's becoming less meaningful. Unless he says I am. Shep, you know, man. You're my favorite, Shep. You're a good person. And you are my favorite. Hands down. Hands down. Let's go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly. Let's look. Ooh, sexy. I like it. Possible bounce. Possible. Possible. I'm liking it. We just need to get out of this zone. Magnet tool. So we'll do this level. To this level. We need to get out of this zone. I like going all the way across just to see what happens. Okay. Go daily. On the daily, we can see that we broke this level. So what do we see? We see it coming down, up, down, up. We're kind of leveling out. Potentially, we could go up here. Oh, and if you're new, what I do is I show you in the moment of the trade versus what everybody else does. They show you after the fact. Look, you should have done this and you could have done this. That doesn't help anybody. Like, how can you make money now? So what I do is I give you my thought process in the moment, regardless of what I see. If we would have broken this level, because this is what we need to wait for. If we break this level, now let's go long. If we break this, and that's why we trade level by level. If we break this level, well, we go short. We go short until it reverses. And sure enough, we came up, lower high, which is fine. I'm looking for a bounce right here. Doesn't happen. Comes all the way down, bounces here. Okay, cool. Now I want to see it come up a little bit higher to come down to about here. To let's see if we can break this. And then we can enter along, which would be safer. If we enter along here, sure, more aggressive, because we have this level we have to contend with. What happens? Roll over. We come down. We come down. Chip says HBAR long-term chart looks like a lot like XRP. Pretty much. Pretty much. Now we come down, we come up, we come down. Now, again, this is looking like this. So what do? We want to long. I went along here. I want to see it pull up to at least here, about 50% of this. So this is what I would wait for. Magnitude 1. We do the fib retracement from the high to the low. And I would like to see price come up to at least the 382 to see if we reverse. The 0.5 would be better. And again, thought process in the moment. We come up, we come down, we come up. Starting to possibly go sideways and up, possibly. We don't know yet. We come down, we break this level. Oh crap, level 1. Oh crap, level 2 doesn't happen. We come up and we break this level. Oh, awesome. But we're still leery because we could reverse at the 0.5. Instead, we break through the 0.5. Nice. Let's go. Moon mission. We retrace. Now, watch out. Don't get tricked. Now we go from this low to this high. This is called an extension leg or the move. we want to see the retrace 382 minimum. 0.5 is what I like to see for the bounce. But we break below the 0.5. Uh-oh. Now and it's kind of worrying me because we could go below the 618 danger zone, and now we continue this downtrend. So now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for potentially this to happen, where we come up to 382 and then we lose it. Oh no, we lose it. We go into the danger zone and then we do this number. And then of course, for those that don't know, the danger zone, where do we get that from? Well, we get that from the man himself. Yes, indeed. Tom Cruise. Danger zone, crash and burn. Watch out. Watch out. That's the 618. So this is what could happen. We could start going up. Man, I caught the bottom. Let's go. Moon mission. Meh, meh. You know, as soon as it breaks this level, we could be seeing this. So what we want to see is we want to see this move up. Retrace is fine. Everybody freaks out on the lower high. It's fine. And then a bounce right around here. Here's what we want to see. And then hopefully continue up. Chip says, looks like a kind of a balloon dog. So of course, yes, it does actually. And Shep, shout out to you for, oh man, JR, I watch you too much, man. I watch you too much. Oh, so I'm really bad with memory. Margie, if you love Discord, make sure to join JR's Discord. Let me see if I can find it again. But make sure to join JR's Discord. We're in there all the time. We're having a good time. Oh, trading. Okay. Oh man, you put mine in there too. Cool. Let's see here. So this right here, I'm gonna pin it. This is the art of crypto. This is my buddy JR, really good trader. Got a really great community. So if you like Discord, join that Discord. I'm in there. I hang out in there. A lot of great traders hang out in there. And that's if you have Discord. If you have Telegram, well then reach out to me on Telegram, trade_intuition, and you get more. So if you have both, strongly recommend joining both. I'll give you a tip. All right, moving on. All the way down here. All the way down here. Shout out to T.I. Joe. I love it. I love it. Yeah, but we're a community that wants to help people. That's what we do. We're not here to nickel and dime you. We're not here to sell you boot camps and everything else. We're learning together. We're making money together. And when we lose, we talk about it. The psychology of trading is extremely important. We talk about risk management, psychology of trading, the emotions, and all that is to build a better trader. So that's what we do. All right, moving on. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I don't see anything that any reasons for me to like want to get in right now. Could we get in and be the low and we brag on X saying how great we are and everything else, join the group? And I'm not that guy. But right now, it's, I mean, we look at all these lows right here. And again, we trade level by level. Look at all these lows. We broke all these lows. And now we're coming down. So right now, I just wait. Play it safe. Safe. It's not sexy, but you don't need to go to the free clinic. Just saying. Just saying. All right. Moving on. Let's do the last one, and that's lit. Let's see here. You have Telegram, great, because I love Telegram. I can do so much on Telegram. I can give you my full thought process on Telegram. And just to give you a little hint, there are sometimes where I'll do a video on Telegram, not only Bitcoin update, but sometimes I'll talk about our active trades in the VIP. And let's just say it this way, it'll be very beneficial for you to join the free group for Telegram because you get a lot of information. Just saying. And my goal is to make you money so that you could want all the frequent updates when they're needed in the paid group. But if you don't have money, don't worry about it. Again, not financial advice, but my goal, and that incentivizes me even more for me to make you money. Because why? Because then you join the group. So anyway, let's do lit. Margie's like, finally, man, this dude talks a lot. And that's because I haven't even told my stories. I do a lot of story time. That's one thing you have to kind of put up with me. I do a lot of story time. Oh. Uh-oh. Let me drink some water. Oh, you're procrastinating. Man, I've been on the stepper for a long time already. The speed is 1.4. And we've walked for 88 minutes. And we have traveled 2.04 miles. Let's go. All right, so lit. I think lit is an exchange. I don't even know. So as soon as it came out, it didn't even pump. Normally they like pump and then they dump. But as soon as it came out, wait, no, lit was on. Let's do MXC because it has more. It has more price action because it's been around for a bit. So MXC. This is because it got listed on Bluefin or an exchange. So you had this huge pump. That's what that is. So everybody who was on MXC who had it, guess what they're doing? They're selling. That's what they're doing. All right, let's go to the weekly. Let's zoom out. Okay. So of course, when it first got listed, went to the freaking moon. This was, in 2021. Very nice. Yeah, it's a DEX. Okay, cool. See, D9U says, a 2-mile walk on the crypto charts. Let's go. Let's go. So it came out in 2021, February. Nice pumpage. And then, of course, it took it all away by May. That's when the whole market was coming down. Then it'll start coming up again. Now, a danger zone for me, or a red flag, is sure, everything was pumping in July-ish area. And this one did the same, pumped, really nice, pulled back. But when we had our all-time highs in November 2021, this one did not surpass when it got listed. So that's my first red flag. I don't like coins that do that. Normally, because everything's pumping, this coin, in my opinion, should have beat its, when it got listed. But it didn't. It still made some nice gains. So it started coming down. So that's the first red flag. Let's do a little bit more deeper dive. Come over here. Let's look at this. Coin market cap. Let's go to LIT. It says lit right here. Market cap is only 655 million. What does this mean? There's gonna be a lot. It's not that one, I think. Is the price about 2.6 from the coin you're looking at? Is it roughly 2.6? Because if it is, that's the one. Yeah, it's now 2.6. Yeah. This is the right one. So it's called Lighter. Also, the ticker is lit, and it's been around for a bit. So, and this is fundamental analysis. So what we do here, we show you everything. And there's a lot of thought process that goes into when I take a trade. So what I want to do is, the first thing, since I don't really know about it, What's the market cap? So what does the market cap tell us? Market cap tells us that it could move very fast up or down because of the small market cap. 655 million is very small. Well, it's not very small, but it's small. And so that means that price can move up 10, 20%, like really fast compared to something like Bitcoin. Bitcoin, very huge market cap, and it moving 3-4% is really nice. For this coin, it can move 10, 20%. So you have to understand the risk management when it comes to lower market cap coins. Not only that, but I like looking at this. We go to all, we can see when it got introduced. For this one, it's only saying 2025, but we can see that it was, well, let me see if there's another one. Because lit and lighter, this is the same thing. Let's see if it's a DEX. Let's go to about. Lighters are DEX. Very flat platform. Then I like going to their website. See here, trade crypto with 0 fees. Start trading. I don't like the font. Font is very 1990. I like that it's dark, and I also like judge their websites. Very basic. I don't like all this. What is all this? This reminds me of like a 1994 game that you'd have to put in those big old floppy disk thing. Who's with me, guys? Who's with me? It's newer. I don't know. I think this is the one. What do you think, guys? Am I on the wrong one? Am I on the wrong one? Okay, Margie, what exchange are you trading it on? Let's go that way. What exchange are you trading it on? Because we'll pull up that one, that chart. This looks like a floppy disk game. Yep, 100, Johnny December says I'm right. Yeah, so you may think it's a newer one because it got listed on your exchange, but it's actually been around for a bit. But I'm not sure why this is only telling us in 2025. It's the right one on MXC, okay. All right, cool. So let's go back to MXC. So for MXC, the reason for this huge jump from 86 cents to $2.60 is because it got listed on another exchange and everybody bought it. And so it creates that gap. So another thing with low market cap and low liquidity is people buying and selling. People could have known that they were going to be listed on another exchange. And what they do is they set the price really high so that those people, well, no, that wouldn't take effect. It's a jump, it's a gap. But I think it's because of a new listing, another change. If you know how hard it is to make a website, you appreciate mostly anything. And with AI now, I don't know, I don't think it's that hard. But, so this is on MXC. Let's go to the daily. Okay. I mean, there's a huge gap right here. Let's go to a 4-hour. It does not look strong at all. And just based off of this little information that I have, I would think that we would do this. We'd come up to this level, which is also this wick. I think we're gonna come up to here and then come down. Now, the only way I'd be bullish on this is if we break this. 3.213 on the 4-hour time frame. They just had an airdrop. Okay. Let's see here. It was basic, but it was all right. Seen worse. Yeah, I've seen worse. But We're lit. It looks very bearish to me. And this would definitely be my plan A. It's right here. Plan A. So if you're in this coin, I personally would have a stop loss fairly tight and just bite the bullet, and you get stopped out, you get stopped out. And then what we want to do is we want to wait for a break of a high. If by some miracle or chance it comes up, I can already hear Margie, man, I don't like you. I want you to tell me it's going to go up. If by a miracle of a chance we do this number and we find more buyers, I would like to see not only it break 3.213, but also have a pullback and then break that current high. That's what I would like to see. But for this right now, we had a high, lower high, lower high. We broke this, oh crap, level 1. We're about to break oh crap level 2. And then oh crap level 3 is a huge gap. So that's what I think. So hopefully guys, you enjoyed the show. We did a lot of steps today. We did speed of 1.4, traveled 98 minutes. Good Lord. 98 minutes on the stepper, traveled 2.28 miles. I was going to buy another fruit bowl today. I was like, man, that's another $8. Been spending a lot of money on fruit. I still have some grapes. They're not the best. They're not the best. But I do thank you guys very much for being here. Let's go ahead and see if we can forward you guys to somebody who's streaming. Let's see who's streaming right now. Let's see who's streaming. You're very welcome, Margie. And thank you for being here. Really appreciate you. Uh-oh. One thing that you're going to see is I do story time. So if you can tolerate story time, you're going to be all right. And it's free. So let's go to Road Dog. Road Dog is another YouTuber. He does great TA. And you can ask him questions. Now, granted, he takes a lot longer to respond. But normally he responds to super chats because it makes a noise for him. But let's go over there to show our love. Let's go ahead and put Trade Intuition Raid on the chart or in the chat. Trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you guys very much. And we'll see you tomorrow at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Oh, I might do a bonus stream since I'm off tomorrow. I might do a bonus stream. So if you're not following me on X, make sure to follow me. I'll also post it in the free Telegram group that I'll be doing a bonus stream. Normally I do the bonus streams like right around 12, maybe 1 Eastern Standard. So just give you a heads up. All right. Remember, Trade Intuition Raid. I do thank you guys very much. And now it's time for me to stop this stepper. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate you greatly. Not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where you come here to learn without the tuition, because I'm here to get rich with you, not because of you. And just remember, you are my favorite. Not the one beside you, the one behind you, but you. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you. And we'll see you next time. Trade Intuition Raid. Let's go. Now, where's that off button? Good Lord, been walking forever. 1.4 in the speed. And 100? No, that can't be right. Yeah, 100 minutes. 2.35. I love it. Where's that off button? Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Ooh, doggy. That was fun. Trade Intuition Raid. Let's go. Bingo, bango.